Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, my children. May this.
Wait, Vaibhav. Let me give the introduction to the episode first.
But does this episode really need an introduction?
Well, you do have a point. Without any further ado, I, Rupanshi, and Vaibhav welcome you all to the Christmas version of Simsar Radio. और Vaibhav, how was your virtual Christmas? क्या गिफ्ट मिला?
यार क्रिसमस के 2 दिन हो गए लेकिन मुझे अभी तक कोई गिफ्ट नहीं मिला.
अरे, didn't you have Secret Santa in your class?
Secret Santa in these virtual times.
Yeah. I have got my gift from Santa and it's the best. But don't worry, I'll order one from Amazon for you.
अच्छा जी, ये भी सही है. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ Santa साडा Santa Amazon. वाह भाई. Exactly ये virtual Secret Santa का concept क्या है?
So Vaibhav, we have two class representatives, Diksha and Anubhav from MBA D and Financial Services from first year, and they'll solve all your doubts.
Hi Diksha, hi Anubhav. How was your Christmas?
Hi guys. The Christmas was good. It was pleasant. There were happy faces in the end, and that's what Christmas is all about. People coming together and having fun.
Yeah, I agree. We were on the Zoom call at midnight as we had planned. It was quite unexpected. We had over 40 smiling faces by the end of the night. So, yeah, it was very heartwarming.
Excellent. So we have some questions planned for you guys. So the first one is that we got to know that you had organized the Secret Santa virtually very well in your respective classes. So how did you guys plan? Like, what was your wish list? What all exactly did you do? Please tell us.
Okay. So, yeah, the idea came up to my mind while I was discussing this with my co-CR that we should do something like that. Maybe we would be in campus when this finally happens and along those lines. So, हमने पूछना start किया to people if they're interested on our unofficial group, and we were overwhelmed by the response. Like around 50 people immediately responded that they wanted to do this, and then we just began our work. We registered on this website online, थ्रू विच सबको अपने आप ही कुछ टाइम में ईमेल्स चले गए, सबके अपने अपने बडीज अलॉट हो गए. देन address sheets were floated in the class, and the buddies and the Santa started interacting with each other. They started sharing their wish lists and they started telling each other कि उनको क्या चाहिए. They had good 1.5 months to basically plan and execute their gifts, and they have turned out pretty well. So we're very happy about it.
It was this quite similar with us. We also went to a website. It was a random Secret Santa generator, and people got their Secret Santas randomly. So in the beginning, it was quite secret. The secrecy level was quite high.
So guys, I have a really interesting question up my sleeve. And that question is, how secret was this year's Secret Santa?
All in all, it was secret. But there was this one guy in my class. So as soon as he got the name of the person that he'll be delivering the secret gift to, so what he did was he straight up went to the guy and he rang him up and said that, dude, I am your Secret Santa. So I can say that for the one person, the Secret Santa was spoiled in the very beginning only.
For us, it was pretty secret for most people. Like some of us didn't know their Santas till yesterday, till we had the meeting. Of course, there were a few people who committed boo-boos. There were people who forgot to update their billing addresses on Amazon. There were some people who had their cities mentioned on the packaging that they used. So yeah, but for most people, it was pretty secret.
That's interesting. Now coming on to the rapid fire round. I'll be giving you certain phrase tags. Whatever comes to your mind first, you have to speak up with respect to the gifts that your class has received in the Secret Santa. Cool?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Let's start.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start shooting my shots. So the first one we have is क्या से क्या हो गया.
this is basically expectations versus reality, right? So there's this one person in our class who received a dog leash, which was pretty unexpected and funny as well.
For us, it was like there are few people in the class who are like very shy, who barely talk or barely text in the group. But after the Secret Santa thing, they opened up quite well. So it was unexpected for me and for major of the people in the class.
Okay, so the next one. Bar bar dekho.
So for us, it was headphones. Even I got the headphones. I'm using them right now. So like quite a big chunk of people received headphones or AirPods.
For us, I feel like my section has a coffee drinking problem because like around 6-7 people received mugs. So yeah, that was the most repetitive gift for us.
That I completely feel you over here, with the mug and all situation. So, anyway, next one. इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की.
This just reminds me of one person who was waiting for his gift for the longest time. He's from Goa and he was constantly wondering if his Santa was lost. And yeah, he received his gift yesterday, which was after the meeting, but now he's pretty happy.
Yeah, even I'm happy for the guy. So, anyways, the next one. तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त.
So see, we all have BTS lovers around us, right? Even though we do not understand the language or what they're saying, but still we have BTS lovers, and we have two in our class. So what a coincidence it was. They two were assigned with each other. One was the Secret Santa of the other. So it was pretty easy for them to have the gift for the other. So it was the BTS t-shirt which had all the BTS members framed on the t-shirt. So the girl was so happy, I can't tell you. She was all over the moon.
If I were to choose, there were so many, but I think what stood out was plants. So, including myself, even I received a plant, and it's like a symbol of hope and life. So, I think it was one of the best gifts.
Now, so the next one is क्योंकि तुम हो हटके टन 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 टन.
So this has to be quirky, right? So I think some people really went out of their way to like make others happy. There was this one girl in our class. She like created she created like her own Christmas world. There was a red hoodie, and there were small, little gifts like a sanitizer and chips packets and Maggie, etc. It was like a care package. So I thought it was pretty hard care.
For us, ekdam hatke gift has to be when you ask for one gift and you get 2 or 3 in return, right? So I was the lucky one. I asked for one thing and received 3 things. We all celebrate our pre-birthday celebrations, pre-wedding celebrations. So it was a pre-Secret Santa gift for me. So it was a little ekdam hatke.
Well played, guys. Kudos to both of you. So moving forward, let's talk about the new year now. Like what expectations do you have from 2021 and any resolutions you have made so far that you'd like to share?
The first thing that we want is to get back to campus. We're really dying to go back there, or what? We haven't even been to the campus even once. And the resolutions, there are a few. First of all, we do not want to sleep during the lectures next year, hopefully. We want to get fit and get outside our blankets that we've been doing for quite some time. And we have to stop reading from a Word doc during our presentation. So this is a few of my resolutions that I want to, take forward.
दीक्षा जोर से बोल के सबको स्कीम बता दिया आपने.
All right. Now coming to the last question. How are you guys planning to spend these last few days of the year 2020? Anything that you would like to share with us?
So, firstly, I want to get completed with all the undone things that I have for this year, and I want to start over. I want to start over the 2021 year with leaving all the negative things behind and taking only the positives ahead.
For me, I think I saw this idea on Instagram to do a photo dump, which is basically like posting all those pictures on Instagram that you otherwise wouldn't post. So I like clicking pictures of my friends doing random things, extremely candid pictures. So I think I'll be posting a few of my favorites. Like I'm planning on posting 20 or 30 of those.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. It was fun talking to you all, and it was our pleasure hosting you both.
And we wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year ahead.
Same to you guys. Thank you for having us. Thank you.
So with this, we wrap up the final episode of 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed listening to it. For further such episodes, stay tuned to Simsar Radio.